Hi, we're back, and so this video we are going to try to fill in some of these holes that we don't need. I think we're gonna cut those lines off for the studs off for the brake lines, because I think I'm not gonna need them, because I'm gonna do a brake tuck, and we'll find out later down the road if that's a mistake or not, but that's a later time. And I'm realizing that, so how you see like that bracket right there, I do not have a bracket right there. So I'm also gonna have to get off my other parts car, which is right over there. Well, if you could see it right there, I'm gonna have to take off the bracket there so we can actually mount my engine in here. So that is the plan. I've got my welder right here, and I got some pictures of my other engine bay to see what I need and stuff, so hopefully I don't plug in any holes that I do need. And I'll see if I can, I think this might be a two-parter, but I'm gonna try to get all this stuff off too. So yeah, just sit back and relax, and hopefully you don't get too bored, but yeah. So this is gonna have to be, I'll mess around with temperatures and stuff, but yeah. This is all about prep. Hopefully I did enough prep. Okay, so we're back. We got some of these all kind of ground down and stuff, as you can see. Yeah. So just slowly working at it. I started like, what's it called? Grinding down at that, grinding over here. Started welding there until definitely need some. Where is my glove? The one I was wearing. This one. If you can't see, oh my goodness. If you can't see there, I burnt through it. So, yeah. So don't wear mechanic gloves, wear actual welding gloves, because that's what happens when you do that. So, definitely wear the proper PPE when doing this, but already I can like see the vision of how it's gonna, hopefully how it's gonna look. I'm going to use ChatGPT and stuff still, as usual, to see how it might look. But yeah, and I'm just gonna end it off here. If you like what you're seeing and want to follow more, all the potential hopeful money that I'm gonna get through these videos will be put back into this build, so where it will look a lot better, and it'll actually have a, I don't know, not budget really, or it's not really, yeah. well, I'm just going to end off here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and stuff. So, see ya.